Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the President Modeler. In this video, we're gonna make a car and we're gonna be covering these video tasks just like grabbing references, modeling the car, adding material, and upgrading to the underwater car. So this is the car we're gonna make. So without wasting our time, let's get to it. First of all, I set the reference images as it's look good, as it is helpful for us to create our car, and just like I did to the side, front, and to the top. I placed them correctly from front and back, and now we have to add a plane with mirror modifier, and we can turn on the auto mirror from preferences, turn on auto mirror preferences add-on, and in the N menu, right, when we press the N to open up the right menu and auto mirror, it will automatically cut the plane to half and mirror it also. Now we have to set the plane accordingly to the reference, then extrude out every part of the loop, every part of the plane. We can add loop cuts, but basically we have to add one or two loop cuts in the middle, just like one here and one vertically, horizontally. Okay, we need low mesh. We don't need any further mesh to create our model. So from all side views, we have the references, and we can make this card, and every card we can make it easily according to the reference. If you please replace the vertices correctly, now move the plane up, and now move it just a little bit on the top and place them correctly first to the roof, and then we will go down to the bottom. If you see the references a little from right or left, place them equally, but remember to keep them equal from all sides. Now extrude every part of the car. We can make the hood and back or to the front. Okay. Keep the mesh simple and low poly, and so our geometry will be clean, nice, and easy to edit. We can add loop cuts in the middle and scale them 0. Looking from every side of the reference is kind of fun and easy way to create the car. And now extrude this vertex. We can extrude this vertex on the bottom and make the bonnet. Now extrude out the bonnet from the front, and remember to look from side view and move them a little down. First, we have to make the basic shape, just like here, and now we have to add two loop cuts right there and move them just a little bit up. Move them a little bit up, and now we need to. It is a little complicated shape to make the Porche, so we'll try our best to make it. And now look from every angle, just like focus this object, the car body, and make it look good. And look from every angle, and in the perspective view, set the shape of the mesh accordingly as it looks good. Making the car according to the reference is important, but keeping the car great is more important. Now make the mesh simple and fill and extrude equally from all over the body, just like I did here. And from the top it will be a little bit difficult to maintain, but if we get it, we will do it ourselves. We can make it easily. Now move the vertices around, and from the front I will make the shape of the headlight, the side, from side, just like I did here, and move it a little bit side, just like that. Now make a little bit round shape from the front and make the headlight just like here. And now fill every part from the side next to it, and remember to keep the mesh simple and low poly. So we get a clean topology and we don't need to face any further extra mesh. Now select some areas and look from side view and from top and front view. Making car from the side, the top view will help us in that. Just like myself, look from every perspective and make the car shape more good. And remember to keep it simple. And also remember to save your work. You don't know when your blender crashes and you don't save it. So it's important to save your work so we don't face any further problem. Okay, this looks nice. Now make the basic shape from the door and extrude from the back. Remember to extrude it equally as the mesh from back and front, and fill them correctly just like here, and extrude it one by one from side, back and front, and extrude them first, extrude them from top and then from side and from the then we can make it look better from the back after we done from the side. Now fill some areas where you see filling is needed. This looks nice. Now we can make the front side. Clear Z1 0 from the very bottom of the mesh. Now from the perspective view, the side view, look for car mesh if you face any problem, and set every single vertex from the body and place them correctly where it should be. We can make the car a lot realistic by subdivision, but keeping it low poly and simple is a basic way and a good way to create cars like this. Then we can add subdivision and set the shape accordingly. But it's a simple and easy way to create cars, and it also looks good. Now we can make the headlight by extruding the vertices just like here. Now circle it for better result. Now I did back and did some work from the back and filled and extruded it at the back just like that. You can do it. So don't be shy to make mistakes. You can do it every single will you face any problem. Now I circle the headlights and place them correctly. Placing them is a kind of important, but keeping it simple and correctly according to your mesh is more important. So if it looks good from your mesh, so then keep it that way. Now extrude it from the front and extrude it every side of the body, then fill it according to the rest of the mesh. Now we can add loop cuts, but don't make a mess. So or keep your pausing simple. Now move some vertices around and insert them. We can make the front windshield and back glass and insert them from the middle, and press I to insert and B to insert from the middle. It will create the face to the middle and won't get overlapping. Now set the windshield accordingly. Move it sideways on the top, insert it, press B and move it sideways inward. Just like that. Now extrude it, first insert it and extrude it inward. Just like that. Now our car is looking much better. Now make the glass just like our insert and alt S just a little bit like that. Now fill some areas where you want the faces and fill them accordingly. Then fill areas, extrude them and fill them from the bottom. Now our car has a body, full body and covered from the down, from the bottom. We can play this easy, but it will create a mess and a problem. So we can make mistakes, but important is what we learn from them and how we fix them. Just right. Now fill the headlight and backlight part faces and insert them just a little bit and move them a little bit from the back to the back. Just like that. Now tweak some areas and set the mesh to equal and simple. Now our car is looking much better. We can color it just like that. We need to color it and we need to make it underwater swimmable car. First, select the glass part where we want the glass and control plus and color it a bright shiny black color and the glass color and color every part of the body where it looks good and create the material as you want. Now we need to upgrade this vehicle and make it to convert it to a floatable car. Add fans to it. We can add fans to it, but a little bit different way. Then we need to add some details to it. Upgrade it just a little bit. Color them and detail it by coloring them somewhere. Making a fan is kind of fun and upgrading level of the vehicle. We can extrude out the back or front fins, but first we need to make the tires. Tires are important. Then we can duplicate it to the fan. Make it as your imagination, but remember to keep it floatable, swimmable car with the back fan to push it forward and some fins to float fastly. So swim fastly. So detail it as you like and fill the side wheel part and color it wherever you like and however you like. Color it as it looks good and keep it simple. Keep the geometry simple and keep it clean. So this is a quick tutorial for our car with upgrading floatable car. So this is the final result. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Allah.